आज मैं क्लास 11 का बिजनेस स्टडी स्टार्ट करूँगा जो चैप्टर नंबर 8 है और उस चैप्टर का नाम है सोर्स ऑफ बिजनेस फाइनेंस। तो इस चैप्टर के अंतर्गत इसे जानने से पहले इस चैप्टर के बारे में जानो कि सोर्स ऑफ बिजनेस फाइनेंस मतलब है क्या। हम लोग देखते हैं किसी भी बिज़नेस को स्टार्ट करने के लिए, उसको अच्छी तरह रन करने के लिए, ताकि उससे हम प्रॉफिट अर्न कर सकें, हमें एक फ़ंड की ज़रूरत होती है और वो फ़ंड हम तभी यूज़ में ला सकते हैं जब हम इसके बारे में जानें। तो दिस चैप्टर्स प्रोवाइड्स ओवरव्यू ऑफ द वेरियस सोर्स ऑफ फ्रॉम वेयर फंड्स कैन बी pursued for starting as also for running the businesses। तो हम बताते हैं कि जो बिज़नेस स्टार्टिंग करने के लिए जो फंड्स लगता है, अब ये फंड्स कितने टाइप्स के होते हैं। तो क्लासिफिकेशंस ऑफ सोर्स ऑफ फंड्स मे बी क्लासिफाइड इनटू 3 पार्ट्स। हम बताएं कि क्लासिफिकेशन ऑफ फंड्स जो सोर्सेज है वो क्लासिफाइड होता है 3 मेन कैटेगरीज के बेसिस पे। वो क्या क्या है? नंबर 1 ऑन द बेसिस ऑफ पीरियड, नंबर 2 on the basis of ownership, and number 3 on the basis of source of generations. Now come to the first point, on the basis of period. On the basis of periods, it may be classified in 3 main categories. What was this? Long term sources, medium term sources, and short term sources. Now may I like to tell you about some points on long term sources. These fulfill the financial requirements of an enterprise for a period of at least 5 years, which includes, what was the source is being included in these funds? Shares and debentures, long-term borrowings, loan from financial institutions. All these things are included in these long-term sources. Now, medium-term sources, where the fund are required more than 1 year but less than 5 years. What? Funds required more than 1 year but less than 5 years. Then they are they may be which is included in these terms. These sources includes borrowing fund from commercial banks, public deposits, lease financing, and loans from financial institutions. These are on the basis of medium term sources. Now I like to tell you on the short term finance or the short term funds are those sources which are required for a period not exceed 1 year. What? Not exceed 1 year. Trade credits, loan from commercial banks or commercial papers. Some of the examples of sources that provide fund for short-term durations. Okay, all these points are considered in on the basis of period. Now the second point is on the basis of ownership. What do you mean by on the basis of ownership? It may be divided into 2 parts. What was these? On owners fund and number 2 borrowed funds. Let me tell you about the owner funds. What was this? It means a fund that are provided by the owners of an enterprise, which may be a sole traders or a partners or a shareholders of a company. All these things are included or handled by the owner of the business, and they are able to receive all the profits or they doesn't have to pay whatever they loss on these things. Number 2, borrowing funds or a borrowed fund. What is this? It refers to the funds rising through loans and borrowing. What? It refers to the fund rising through the loans and borrowings. These sources for rising borrowed funds include loans from commercial bank, loans from financial institutions, issued of debentures, public deposits, and trade credits. Such sources provide funds for funds as a specific periods on a certain terms and conditions also, and have to be repaid the repaid of the expiry of that period. Okay, these are the things which is included in the ownership funds. And now the last point is a source on the basis of generation. What is this? There are two sources. What was this? Internal sources and external sources. Internal sources means what? The sources in which the funds are generated from within the business. A business, for example, can generate fund internally by accelerating the collection of receivable, disposing of surplus inventories, and plugging back its profit. All these things are internal source which is utilizing from the business, which is gaining from the business, and that purpose should be utilized for their fund purposes or regenerating their activities of the business. Now the second point is external sources. The fund includes those sources that lies outside an organizations, such as surplus, suppliers, lenders, and inventors. When a large amount of money is required to the rising, or it's generally done through the uses of external sources to run their business activities well. So now I have told you about all the points which is included for the regular recurrings of the business and running of their activities, which the funds required from these things. Okay, if you want any more information, then kindly reply in my contact box and I will answer you. Okay.